Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is October the 18th, 2024, and we're producing this video a day in advance. But it's about the gold market and the gold futures and gold miners. So I don't think it's going to change much as to the analysis in that short period of time. This is the monthly gold chart here, and you can see, like, take a look at this thing. Just on a parabolic move since February of this past year, and it's a nice move. What's not to like about it, really? So when I drew my Fibonacci, used my Fibonacci retracement tool from the September 2011 high and the 2015 low. We can see that we had some struggle to get above that previous high, but once we eventually did and made new highs above this consolidation, basically back in January or February of this year, it's been on a parabolic move higher. Well, how high can I go? Well, I've been hearing about $5,000 gold for probably 20 years and maybe 10,000 for as long. And, now I think it's starting to look like it could get there eventually. But if you use Fibonacci's as part of your analysis here and use this retracement tool, once we're above this 1.618 Fib level, at roughly 2,500. The next level of interest for me is at 3340 level, 3344 exact on this chart. And I think maybe that's where we see some sort of slowdown in the price. But I mean, it looks like it's moving in that direction. It looks like it's moving in that direction in short order. Now, keep in mind, stocks and commodities don't always go in a straight line, and failed moves come fast moves. So it's just hard to imagine this thing going up straight, but until it tells us different, this keeps going straight. So it's a good asset to own. Let's look at the gold miners. Now, I believe, as I mentioned in yesterday's uranium analysis, that the stocks often outperform and often lead the underlying asset. And, I look at these gold miners here. This is the VanEck Gold Miners ETF GDX, and trying to make new highs, attempting new highs, get above the September 24 highs. And I'm not sure it'll make it on this first attempt, but new highs often lead to new highs. So if that's the case and the miners are making new highs, maybe we'll see that continuation in the physical as well. These are the juniors. Now the juniors are certainly more risky and more of an exploration play, but the GDXJ ETF here is what we're looking at. And again, they're making new highs. They're testing these previous resistance levels from April of 2022 and, go back in 2021. Okay, so check this out. You can see this Fibonacci retracement from the August of 20 high and the 22 low. And you can see the price is back right in that golden zone, between the 61.8 and 65% retracement level, which, ironically, check this out. This stuff, I love how these charts aligned. That's precisely where we were in April 2022. So often these Fibonacci levels line up with previous support and resistance, and we're seeing that here right now. But check this out. We already seen this 65% retracement tested back in September. Now we're making another attempt at getting above that. I don't think this resistance is going to hold. I think this juniors are going higher, and I think maybe once we get above 52, say for a round number, 51.50 if you like, then I think we see a move up to 57, maybe even break to all-time highs. But that's why we're looking at the charts. We're looked at the gold, looked at the senior miners, and also the juniors. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's going to be a great day in Saskatoon. Life's good.